Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Registered entertainers and creatives now have insurance. Top entertainment figures, including dancehall legend Vybz Kartel, joined Culture Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange for the launch of the Jamaica Entertainers and Creatives Insurance Plan, offering life insurance to cover 4,400 registered creatives. In an E-Prime exclusive, Minister Grange urged entertainers to seize this vital opportunity for financial security, while Vybz Kartel encouraged artists to use the plan wisely.
It's not going to cost them $1. They just have to be compliant. And when I say compliant, sign up on the e-registry, because it's important that we have that data, the information, because people tend to say the industry is informal. But we want to formalize and streamline things so they're not treated as an informal industry, but an important part of the economy.
So I implore the entertainer them, you know what I mean, say, and this is a good thing as well, because no fun you never know. I mean, a world boss and me never know about it, so it's a good thing. So yeah man, go out and support it.
Managed by Guardian Life, the insurance now covers life insurance with expanded health benefits arriving in January 2025. Creatives can access these benefits by registering on the National E-Registry. Jamaica Food and Drink Festival celebrates 10 years of flavor. The festival celebrated its 10th anniversary over the weekend, offering a vibrant mix of food and culture, as well as entertainment. With a focus on showcasing Jamaica's rich culinary scene, the 4-day event featured local and international chefs, food tastings, live cooking demos, and cultural showcases. Visa International, the festival's longtime sponsor, praised the event for highlighting Jamaica's heritage.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity to represent an international brand like Visa. They've been amazing sponsoring this event for the last couple of years. And you really see the change in the last couple of years when I don't know if it's because they came on, but it certainly is a huge coincidence, right?
Local vendors also had the chance to present their offerings, supporting the island's economy. Speaking with E-Prime, both patrons and vendors shared their excitement.
It's been great, it's been excellent. The food has been good, the drink has been good. I'm heading for drinks now again. Oh my God, 9.5 out of 10. Fabulous. I came early, so I got to try everything. Beautiful. The food, phenomenal. The atmosphere, superb. The drink, lovely. I can't complain.
Well, I've been apart for about 8 years now, so it's amazing. It showcases a lot of the talents in Jamaica, and it's a very, very well put together festival. Everybody who hasn't experienced it need to experience it.
The festival offered an unforgettable culinary journey, drawing food lovers from all around the world. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.